Are you experiencing issues with downloading content on Paramount Plus? If you can't seem to get your favorite shows or movies to download, you're in the right place. Here's a professional, step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your device compatibility. First, ensure that your device supports downloads. Paramount Plus allows downloads on the following devices: mobile devices, iOS and Android, Windows 10 devices with the Paramount Plus app. Select streaming devices, check Paramount Plus website for the full list. If your device is not supported, you won't be able to download content. Step 2. Ensure you have the right subscription. Not all Paramount Plus subscription plans include download features. If you're using a basic or ad-supported plan, check if your subscription allows offline downloads. You may need to upgrade to a premium plan for full access to downloads. Step 3. Verify storage space. Lack of storage space is one of the most common causes of download issues. Go to your device's storage settings and check if you have enough available space. Clear unnecessary apps or files to free up space for your downloads. Step 4. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Paramount Plus app. Outdated apps can cause performance issues, including download failures. Go to your App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and update the Paramount Plus app to the latest version. Step 5. Check internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection can affect your downloadability. Make sure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network with sufficient speed to support downloading content. If needed, try restarting your router. Step 6. Restart the Paramount Plus app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve issues. Close the app completely, then reopen it. Try to download the content again and check if the issue is fixed. Step 7. Log out and log back in. If restarting the app doesn't work, log out of your Paramount Plus account and then log back in. This can refresh your account settings and may fix the problem. Step 8. Clear cache and data, mobile devices. On mobile devices, cached data can sometimes interfere with downloads. Go to your device's settings, find the Paramount Plus app, and clear its cache and data. This should resolve any conflicts causing the download issue. Step 9. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Paramount Plus app. This can clear any bugs or glitches that may be preventing downloads from working. Step 10. Contact Paramount Plus support. If the issue persists after trying all the above steps, contact Paramount Plus support. They can help troubleshoot the problem further and provide additional solutions. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Paramount Plus downloads not working. Make sure your device is compatible, check your storage space, and ensure your subscription allows offline viewing. If the problem persists, reaching out to customer support will get you the help you need. Good luck and enjoy your streaming experience with Paramount Plus.